Welcome to this presentation on FPGA acceleration of AES algorithm for high-performance cryptographic applications. This research was conducted by Abdullah Farhan Siddiqui et al. And published in 3rd June 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The field of information security has become increasingly critical with the widespread use of cryptographic algorithms to protect sensitive data and ensure secure communication. The Internet of Things (IoT) is revolutionizing society with billions of deployed devices expected by 2029. The Advanced Encryption Standard AES, established by NIST in 2001, is a cornerstone of modern cryptography, replacing the less secure DES. The research methodology involved the development of the Advanced Encryption Standard AES algorithm using the Verilog language. The code was structured into modular components: AES main, G underscore function, key underscore schedule, last underscore round, mix column, round, S box, shift rows, and subbytes. Test bench modules S underscore main underscore TB, if underscore function underscore TB, key underscore schedule underscore TB, mix column underscore TB, shift rows underscore TB, and subbytes underscore TB were created for simulation and validation using Xilinx Vivado software. The results of the implementation are presented through waveforms illustrating the plain text, key, and ciphertext. Figure 7 displays the 1 to 8 BITAES algorithm waveform for the plain text. Figure 8 shows the 1 to 8 BITAES algorithm waveform for the key. Figure 9 illustrates the 1 to 8 BITAES algorithm waveform for the ciphertext. The implementation of the AES 128 algorithm accelerator on the FPGA VIR-TX 7 device for high-performance cryptographic applications yielded promising results. The design demonstrated resource efficiency, utilizing 588 lookup tables open parenthesis LUTS close parenthesis and 353 flip-flops. These resource utilization figures indicate a judicious allocation of hardware, achieving a favorable balance between the complexity of the AES algorithm and the available resources on the FPGA. In conclusion, the development and synthesis of the AES 128 algorithm accelerator for high-performance cryptographic applications on the FPGA VIR-TX7 device yielded promising results. The implementation utilizes a resource-efficient configuration employing 588 lookup tables open parenthesis LUTS close parenthesis LUTS close parenthesis and 353 flip-flops. Notably, these resource requirements signify a judicious use of the available hardware, demonstrating an effective balance between algorithm complexity and FPGA resource utilization.